friends, very welcome back to Shinuke Parshala. Today we are going to learn and write 15 good thoughts. So let's start the video. Every day is a new opportunity. Next line. Hard times are the moments of reflection. Next line. The pen is mightier than sword. Next. If you act to be happy, you will be happy. Next one is. Things are beautiful if you love them. Next one. Keep moving forward and never give up. Next one is. Nothing is permanent. Next one is. The root of education are bitter, but the fruit is sweet. Next one is. Times change, but the truth always remains. Next one. Time is the greatest teacher of life. Next one is. Nothing will work unless you do. Next one. Everything you can imagine is real. Next one. Good thoughts makes a happy person. Next one. Health is wealth. And the last one is where there is a will, there is a way. Thank you friends. If you like our video on good thoughts, then do like, share, subscribe our channel and also hit the bell icon so that you can get all the notifications. Thank you.